So hypervigilance, I will say that's something that I still to this day I can't turn it off. Um, Regardless, I mean, I don't get as emotional. I don't get anxiety like I used to. However, sometimes I do get startled in regards of just like fireworks. Sometimes I used to like I don't know why. Well, I know why now, but I would go to the fireworks with people, and it would be cool at first, but then all the loud noise and the bright lights and stuff like that going off, I kind of get into a point where I just uh, uncomfortable. I'll just say uncomfortable, just because um, uh, reminded of some of the things, the loud noises that we went through in Iraq, and some of the loud noises I went through as a child as well. So hypervigilance is something that I deal with.